Welcome to CRNT Designers. Chetan here. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make sci-fi motion graphics with the simple cube. So are you ready for it? So let's get started. First we will learn how to model it. So to model it I have used a simple cube. So let's see. Select the cube and go to the edit mode, or you can hit the tab also. Then press 3 and select faces, all faces. So let's say A. Then hit R. Yes. Just like this. It's 0.5. It's good enough. And apply the material base color. So I'm going to principal BSDF. So here I have used the principal BSDF with the color simply black color. And you can see in the material. Okay, it is a simple black color. If you want to give its metallicness, if you want, then you can give the metalness to it. Yeah, and the preference is for fine. Now next tab. Then go to the edit mode, then add one more material here, and that will be the image shader. So let's click here and go, and then select here from here the image shader, and this will be the blue image. And yeah, it's looking sci-fi, so sci-fi lights, it's always blue, but it's electric, so that's why. Okay, then increase the strength somewhere 3. Yeah, it's okay, fine. Then select these faces, 1 2 3 4, and this one is 5 and 6. Then assign this blue image. Okay, you can see in the render view right there. Then select these faces, the strip, you can see alt press shift select. Okay, this one and one is remaining there at the bottom. Select that also. So here I have selected this on the strips, and then once again go to the material and then add material one more. This will be the another image shader, which will be ready image shader. So principal BSDF, we don't need it. Just select the image shader, then choose the color reddish orange, yeah, like this, light color. So then hit 3 and then assign it. Okay, so here our basic model is ready to make that sci-fi motion graphic. So just go there and ambient, inclusion, bloom, and since motion blur if you want to add them, or skin reflection, you can see right there because it's metallic, so it's reflect a little bit. Okay, we will add these things. Okay, now if I change the color of the background, world color, wholly black, then we will see this. Okay, and just delete this light, delete it. Okay, so this is the simple. Here it's our base mesh, it's ready, and we need only this thing to make that sci-fi motion graphic. Okay, see our army here. The box army is ready for the sci-fi motion graphic. Okay, now we need to parent them. You select this and select this one, and Control P, keep transformation to make them parent. Then select this, click right there, and select this one, and Control P, keep transformation. Okay, cool. Same, repeat this process with this also. Control P, keep transformation, and then this one, and this. Control P, keep transformation, and check keep transformation. Select this one. Once again, the same process. Control P. Okay, cool. And the last one, right? Control P, and just keep transformation. Okay. So now we have parent this all objects, and I guess it's very easy. This is not. Do we parent them? Yeah, this is also. Okay. So if I select these three are our leaders, not three. These I guess these 7 are our leaders, which will lead this whole army. Okay, if I say, yeah, you can see there. If I select this, and this one, okay, whole army moves because we have parent there. Okay, so this is our simple modeling and basic fundamental things to motion to create the sci-fi motion graphic are ready.